Did you know? A young trader in Toronto doubled his account in just 6 months, all because he chose the right forex broker for the Canadian market. What about you? Which platform are you trading on? Is it truly licensed in Canada? Are hidden fees quietly eating into your profits every single day? In today's video, I'll help you save hundreds of hours of research by sharing the top 4 most trusted forex brokers for Canadians in 2025, based on regulation, real user experience, and long-term investment potential. Let's begin. How to choose the right broker. Before we dive into the list, here are 5 essential criteria you should consider when selecting a forex broker in Canada. First, regulation. The best-case scenario is that the broker is regulated by IIROC, the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada. If not, look for licenses from major global regulators like the FCA in the UK, ASIC in Australia, or CIPF in Europe. Second, trading fees. Focus on brokers with low spreads and transparent fee structures. Watch out for hidden charges, such as withdrawal fees, inactivity fees, or currency conversion costs. Third, account types and leverage. In Canada, leverage is limited to 130 on standard accounts for investor protection. Choose the account type that fits your strategy, whether it's a standard or ECN account. Fourth, trading platform. Choose a broker that supports MetaTrader 4 or 5 or integrates with TradingView. A smooth and user-friendly mobile app is also important. Finally, customer support. Look for brokers offering fast, reliable service in English. Ideally, they should have an office or local support in Canada or the US top 4 forex brokers for Canadians in 2025. 1. Oanda. A Canada-based broker ideal for long-term and risk-averse traders. Headquartered in Toronto and fully regulated by IIROC. Transparent fee structure with spreads starting from 1.0 pip. Although leverage is modest, platform stability and legal protection are strong advantages. The interface is beginner-friendly, with email and phone support available. If you're based in Ontario, Oanda is one of the most recommended options by Canadian trading professionals. 2. Forex.com. A powerful platform packed with tools, ideal for scaling your trading. Regulated by both IIROC and the FCA, with built-in advanced analytical features. Spreads start from 0.8 pips, offers both commission-free and commission-based accounts, and a pro account for high-volume traders. Great for those with experience or looking to grow larger portfolios. Tip: enable the performance tracking feature to review and optimize your past strategies. 3. AvaTrade user-friendly interface and flexible leverage, depending on your province. While it doesn't have a Canadian office, AvaTrade accepts Canadian users. It is licensed by ASIC and CIPF. If you live outside of strict provinces like Ontario, leverage up to 1,400 is available. Perfect for beginners who want to explore Forex, crypto, and CFDs. However, always check the regional restrictions before funding your account. 4. FXCM. A veteran broker known for strong customer service and automation support. Founded in 1999, regulated by both the FCA and ASIC. Supports TradingStation and MetaTrader 4 platforms. Offers cashback rebates for high-volume traders, making it ideal for scalpers or those using expert advisors, EAS. FXCM delivers fast and stable execution, making it one of the best platforms for algorithmic trading. Which broker is best for you? If your top priority is safety, choose Oanda. If you need advanced analytical tools, go with Forex.com. If you're a beginner looking to test higher leverage, AvaTrade is worth considering. If you trade with bots or automated systems, FXCM should be your pick. One final note. Many new traders get lured by platforms offering extremely high leverage, like 1,000. But in Canada, higher leverage does not guarantee higher profits. In fact, it can be a major risk. Consistently earning 10% per month with disciplined risk management is far more valuable than gambling with fake leverage. Here's my honest advice. Open demo accounts with 2 or 3 brokers. Trade small amounts for the first few months. Track your performance and choose the one that truly fits your trading style. Forex trading is not a sprint. It's a long-term journey. And choosing the right broker is like choosing the right travel partner. You need trust, support, and long-term reliability. Don't let a small bonus today cost you your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more in-depth guides on capital management, strategy optimization, and the best brokers for every region.